How much should you actually spend on a record cleaning machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Big Fudge Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. First up, we have the Big Fudge Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Priced at just $25.25, this kit caught my attention for its all-in-one convenience. If you want a straightforward solution to clean your vinyl, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes an ultra-soft velvet record brush, cleaning liquid, a stylus brush, and even a storage pouch. The brush is gentle enough to avoid scratching your records, which is crucial when you want to maintain their quality. The cleaning liquid is specially formulated to break down dirt and grime without harsh chemicals, which means you can keep your vinyl in pristine condition. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've been frustrated with dirt affecting your listening experience, this kit can really help. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that vinyl enthusiasts are trusting this solution. Now some people complain that the size of the brush might not reach into all those grooves effectively. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something compact and portable, this is more than adequate. If you have a massive collection, you might want something more comprehensive, but for regular cleaning, it does the job. This is perfect for you if you're a casual vinyl collector or just starting out. Skip this one if you have a professional collection needing extensive care. At this price, it's a solid start for anyone looking to keep their records clean. Product number 2, Spin Clean Record Washer Kit. Now, if Big Fudge's compact design didn't quite catch your interest, the Spin Clean Record Washer Kit might be more your speed. Priced at $101.05, this kit offers a deeper clean and is well reviewed for its ease of use. If you want an efficient way to clean both sides of your records simultaneously without the noise of a motorized system, this is worth considering. The Spin Clean features advanced snap-in rollers and wedge-fit brushes that secure your records in place, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The alcohol-free cleaning solution is gentle yet effective, specifically designed to protect your vinyl while still removing dirt and dust. Plus, it comes with lint-free drying cloths to ensure your records are scratch-free after cleaning. Over 500 units sold in the last month shows it's a popular choice among collectors. However, some users mention that the cleaning basin can be a bit cumbersome to clean afterward. But honestly, if you're serious about keeping your records in top shape, the results far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This one is perfect for dedicated vinyl collectors who want a more thorough cleaning option. Skip this if you're looking for a quick fix or have limited storage space. For the quality you're getting, the price is justified. Product number 3, Spin Clean Vinyl Record Washer Deluxe Kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is the Spin Clean Vinyl Record Washer Deluxe Kit, priced at $157.90. This one really ups the ante with additional features. If you're all about maintaining your vinyl collection with the best tools available, keep listening. This deluxe kit comes with everything the standard kit offers, but includes 5 extra drying cloths, an additional 32 Oz of cleaning fluid, and extra brushes. This means you can clean more records without having to purchase additional supplies. The ease of use is still there, and the quality of the cleaning solution ensures your vinyl stays in top condition. It's been purchased over 50 times this past month by avid collectors who are serious about their records. Now some might feel that the price jump from the standard kit to deluxe is a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you have a large collection or frequently clean your records, this kit saves money in the long run because you won't need to keep buying replacements. This kit is perfect for serious collectors or anyone who regularly spins records and wants the best care. Skip it if you're just dabbling in vinyl and aren't ready to invest. For what you get, the value is excellent. Product number 4, Studebaker Vinyl Record Cleaning System. Now, if you're looking for something that balances quality and price a bit differently, let's talk about the Studebaker Vinyl Record Cleaning System. At $62.91, it's a solid mid-range option. If you're looking for a no-fuss cleaning solution that still gets the job done, this one could be your answer. What I like about this system is that it includes both the cleaning solution and soft pads, which work together to lift dirt without scratching your records. It's user-friendly, meaning you won't have to deal with complicated setups or operations. Plus, it's been bought over 50 times in the last month, indicating a good level of trust. However, some buyers reported that the pads tend to wear out faster than expected. But honestly, for the price point, it's still a great choice. Just be prepared to replace the pads occasionally if you use it frequently. This is perfect for those who want a straightforward cleaning solution without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features or have a massive collection to maintain. For casual users, it's a good bang for your buck. Product number 5, Spin Clean Limited Edition Clear Vinyl Record Washer Deluxe Kit. Finally, we have the Spin Clean Limited Edition Clear Vinyl Record Washer Deluxe Kit, which comes in at $189.49. This one is for those who want something extra special. If you're a vinyl enthusiast who values aesthetics and performance, listen up. This is great for reducing static on your records, which can significantly enhance sound quality. The clear design adds a unique touch that looks great on display too. It's been well received, with a growing number of purchases reflecting its popularity among collectors. However, the price might feel a bit high if you're just starting with vinyl. But here's the deal: if you're serious about protecting your investment and want the best for your records, this kit delivers on multiple levels. This is perfect for passionate collectors who want both functionality and style in their cleaning tools. Skip this if you're just starting out and looking for something basic. Given the high-quality items included, it's a worthwhile investment for dedicated vinyl lovers. So to wrap it all up, if you're looking for an affordable starter option, Big Fudge is a good pick. For a quieter, more efficient clean, Spin Clean is great. The deluxe version steps it up for frequent users, while the Studebaker offers a mid-range balance. Lastly, the limited edition Spin Clean is for the serious collector. No matter which you choose, taking care of your vinyl will enhance your listening experience.